The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into.
Saw you on a Tuesday. You were sipping on that Tuesday. With that bitch who's acting moody. Hey, hey, I've been trying to find my way back. Trying to get in there ASAP. Why don't you get out of my way fast? Hey, hey, I know you're here with somebody, but I'm going home with that body, yeah. So tell her she can move. I really wanna move that body, move that body, body. Move that body, yeah.
Hey everyone, assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's tutorial is a bit different. It's not that much of different, but the reason behind it is different than my other tutorials. Recently I've been watching the new season of Lux Channel I Superstar, and I am so inspired by that I had to do this tutorial because I was watching the show and there was a episode where the girls were given a task to do a water photo shoot, and they had different themes, and there was like a teal theme, and then another was like a reddish one, and there was the pink one. So inspired by the pink one, I came up with this look, and I'm so excited because this is I'm just filming the intro right now, but I will try to do a water photo shoot and we will see how it comes out. If it comes out good, then you guys will see it, otherwise you won't. So we will see what that looks like, but otherwise, if you guys want to see how I did this look, let's move on to the tutorial. As usual, I'm going to be starting off with my base makeup, and at first I'm going to be applying my Farsali Unicorn Essence. To prime my face today, I'm going to be using my Guerlain Low Radiance Primer. It's time to color correct the spots in my face, and for that I'm taking my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer, and this is in the shade Faux. I'm loving this year's Lux Channel I Superstar. The contestants are so good and each and every task is very difficult, and what can I say about the judges? They are like the best. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. The judges are amazing. So far I have met Dasan and Arifin Shubo in the press launch of Lux Channel I Superstar, and they were so humble, and even Arifin Shubo also complimented me on my turban hijab, so that was really something for me, you know. Now to highlight my under eyes, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the shade C10. Time to lock all the hard work in place, and for that I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder. This is going to be a really important step as I'm gonna go in water in the bathtub, so I need my makeup to be in place. Done with my base makeup. Now quickly I'm just gonna go off camera and do my eyebrows, then I'll be right back to do the eye makeup. I'm starting off my eye makeup with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Eyeshadow Palette, and from this one, I'm going to be picking up the Shy shade. Now as my second transition color, I'm going to be picking up the shade Flamingo. Now for my crease, I'm going to be taking a mixture of henna and man-eater. Now with the help of a concealer, I'm going to be cutting my lid halfway through. Now for the lid, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Champagne Eyeshadow. Now again from the Huda palette, I'm taking the shade Bossy to deepen my outer V. Now I'm going to be applying some eyeliner off camera, and the one that I'm using is the Maybelline Master Ink eyeliner. For my lower lash line, I'm taking the black truffle eyeshadow, and later I'm going to be smudging it out with the Man-Eater eyeshadow. Now for my waterline and tight line, I'm taking the Nior Longlasting Kajal. To highlight my brow bone, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Winter Solstice highlighter palette, and from this one I'm taking the Winter Rose shade. For lashes, I'm taking my Huda Beauty eyelashes in the style Samantha. I'm done with my eye makeup. Moving back to the face makeup, now I'm going to be bronzing up my face, and for that I'm taking my W7 bronzer. Now to sharpen and chisel up my face, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. To get some rosy cheeks, I'm taking my Ofra blush, and this is in the shade Punch. I'm taking quite a generous amount today because I really want to be like blushing today. Today's highlight is a bit interesting, as you guys can see, and for that I used my Huda Beauty Winter Solstice highlighter palette, and from this one I used the cream highlighter, which is the Frosted Kiss one, and then on top of it I layered it with the Winter Rose highlighter, which is a beautiful pink shade, and I'm so loving it. For my lip color, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Lip Tint, and this is in the shade Trophy White. Now on top of my lips, I'm going to be applying this Northern Lights highlighter from the Huda Beauty highlighter palette. Finally, to finish off everything, now I'm going to be setting my face, and for that I'm taking my Ofra makeup fixer. So this is the final look after finishing the rest of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this Luxe Jamala Superstar inspired makeup tutorial that I did, and all the product lists will be given down in the description box below. Make sure to check that out, and if you guys still haven't subscribed into my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe, and also don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also in Snapchat. And I will catch you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.
Saw you on a Tuesday. You were sipping on a Tuesday with that bitch who's acting moody. I've been trying to find my way back, trying to get in there ASAP. Why don't you get out of my way fast? I know you're here with somebody, but I'm going home with that body, yeah. So tell her she can move. I really wanna move that body, move that body.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.